G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about Free Cash Friday. It's only Sunday and we're already talking about Free Cash Friday. There's probably going to be Free Cash Wednesday as well. But we have a week that's full of major red news. Now I'm going to give you two important concepts to comprehend and understand prior to the week unfolding and the templates unfolding. And number one is this. We have a lot of major red news on the calendar. So the last major, we have the Fed on Wednesday, and the last major red news on Friday is at 10 a.m. New York. So if you can step back and understand that we can get parabolic moves on Friday, potentially, that depending on how the templates unfold, that could be reversal or continuation trades. Remember, there are two key trades to look for in Friday: parabolic reversals, parabolic trend trades. And we can of course get a trading range and a parabolic trading range trade, as we saw on gold on Friday, which is still 50, 75 pips, vertical and a blow off move. But with the Fed on Wednesday, the Fed can be a day that typically will run one side of the week to the other and act as a beginning of a day one, pump day or a dump day, depending on the template. That can coincide back to day one now on Wednesday, day two on Thursday, day three on Friday in our Monday to Wednesday template. Free Cash Wednesday, Free Cash Friday, day one, day two, day three, day one, day two, day three. So if you understand how much news is on the calendar this week and how that can potentially chop traders up or jam them in, so we can get session opportunities, 3 session setups in Asia, London. In any of those days, we can get a day two trend trade as our initial balance is trading, opening range, initial balance, and then a high of week, low of week opportunity potentially before any major red news in the US session. But the last major red news at 10 a.m. on Friday is the last stumbling block to any potential parabolic opportunity, meaning that once New York opens and we have a 10 a.m. news release, that can act as a first bounce opportunity, or the market has already digested any major red news for the week and now it will continue to move once that 10 a.m. release is over. It could be a first bar trade. It may have no reaction whatsoever. We may already be in the midst of a move off the open of New York, or even a reversal into that third hour. Now, the second thing I want you to think about is this. On day threes, when we are at the high or low of a week, and we are in the US session, so we have a 3 session opportunity on day three, is this. When 1 hour, so a lot of traders said, what should I have my 4-hour charts, my 1-hour charts, my 15-minute charts, my 1-minute charts up? No, you need to understand how time works, and you need to be able to tell time. You need to be able to count to 3, and you need to be able to tell time. So if you can tell time and count to 3, you can make a lot of money. And what that means is this: when the 1 hour breaks a high or a low of a week, or a daily high or low in that US session, in that 9 o'clock hour, 9 a.m. New York time, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. If you're trading oil, gold indexes, they start 1 hour later than currencies. So their rollover for the 4 hour will be starting at 10 a.m. Currencies rollover for the new 4 hour cycle starts at 9 a.m., which is why when we're at the highs and lows of weeks and we have a close of an hour at the extreme. So write this down. When you have the close of an hour at the extreme, at the end of 1 hour, and a new 4 hour cycle is about to start, you now have other time frame traders triggered into the markets at these extremes, which is why we will often see reversals in that third hour in the US session. The close of 1 hour and the beginning of a new 4 hour cycle at the high or low of a day, at the high or low of a week. Go study that. That will help you understand. Traders are staring at these little bars and gaps and liquidity hunts and all these things that they send me, which again, I have no idea what that is. I trade 3-day cycles, 3 session setups, 3 levels of rise, 3 levels of fall in the timing window, and I look for the timing rotation of a new hour and a new 4 hour cycle. So remember, we have major red news all week. Go and study your charts, step back, don't get chopped up before Free Cash Wednesday, and don't get chopped up before Free Cash Friday, because there's going to be money laying over on the corner on the floor, and all you're going to have to do is walk over and pick it up. So don't do anything prior to that to ruin the opportunities that we're going to get this week. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. It's been a great day, a great busy weekend here. Swim meet, 2 football games, and just had a great workout. So enjoy your day. Go study those 2 concepts: free cash Friday, free cash Wednesday, new 1 hour and 4 hour cycles at the highs and lows of weeks in the session timing windows. Have a great day, and may the markets go with you.